The root cause analysis application in the portal is used to analyse the impacts of environmental issues, identify their underlying causes, and prioritise key impacts. It is best used to support discussions and analysis in a workshop setting. The Overview section is where you can get a global overview of environmental issues and the results of root cause analysis carried out by users in river basins around the world. To carry out analysis and see results in your basin, click Go in the Root Cause Analysis section. The environmental issues that have been identified are listed in the left panel. You can find out more about each issue, including a description, by clicking on the Information button. New issues can be added by clicking the Add Issue button and typing in a name and a description. You can select a specific location within the basin from the drop-down list, or you can select All Focus Area if the issue applies to the whole basin. You can also select the sector from the drop-down list. If you want to copy an existing issue and then edit it to make a new issue, click the Clone Issue button and enter a name of the new issue. You can delete an issue by clicking the Delete button. To edit an issue, click on the Edit button. Notice that you can only edit and delete issues if you are the person that created the issue. Once you have identified the environmental issues in the left panel, you can analyse the impacts by identifying the underlying causes based on a causal chain analysis principle. This enables planning to focus on the deeper causes of issues rather than just solving the obvious problem, which may only be temporary relief. The causal chain analysis principle is shown in the flowchart, and you can read more details underneath. Let's look at the causal chain analysis for the pollution due to wastewater contamination issue. Two environmental impacts have been identified: waterborne diseases and death to aquatic life. Next, the immediate cause for each impact is identified. An immediate cause is predominantly tangible with distinct area of impact. For example, discharge of waste into the lake. Then underlying causes are identified. These contribute to the immediate cause and are broadly defined as underlying resource uses and practices. For example, lack of supporting infrastructure and regulations. Finally, the root causes are identified. These are often related to fundamental aspects of macroeconomy, demography, environmental values, and access to information. For example, poverty and lack of financial, physical, and human capacity of the enforcing agencies. To add a new impact, click the Add Impact button and type the name and details of the underlying causes. To save the new impact, click the Save button, or to delete an impact, click the Cross button. This application also helps you to quantify the severity of the impacts, which enables you to prioritize the most serious problems and increase the efficiency of the planning process. The severity of each impact is assessed according to the Water Resource Issues Assessment method. Click on the Edit Score button to assess the severity of each impact. You can choose from a drop-down list the extent of the impact, the seriousness, the permanence, the irreversibility, the cumulative character, and the level of documentation. When you click Update, an assessment of the impact will automatically be calculated and color-coded according to the severity level. For example, a significant negative impact will be color-coded as bright red. The score and the assessment of severity enables you to compare the impacts and prioritize the most serious problems. The root cause analysis application helps you to quantify and analyze the impacts of environmental issues by identifying the underlying causes. This increases the efficiency of the planning process and may lead to more effective measures. So go to the root cause analysis application in the portal to explore the issues, impacts, and assessment results in your area.